And then last is the modulus operator. So notice 10 mod 3 in this case, because A is 10, B is 3, would be 1. Now, why is that the case? Let's actually do this right here. We're going to do int A, int B, and we're going to change this to A mod B just to verify that we do get 1. So I'm going to run it, and I do get 1. So 10 divided by 3 is not 1. Now, 10 divided by 3, the closest that 3 goes into 10 is 3 times. So essentially we're doing like 10 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. I can't subtract another 3 because then I'll get a negative number. So 10 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 1. So this would be equal to 1 left over. So remember back when you were dividing, this might jog your memory, where you wouldn't use decimals, right? When you're doing long division, instead you'd write something like 3R1, indicating 3 remainder 1 as your answer. That's essentially what the modulus is doing. So modulus is used for many different purposes in programming. One way that the mod is useful is for identifying even and odd numbers. As it turns out, the mod 2 of any number, if it's equal to 0, you know it's even. So let's do a mod 2. Let's see if that is indeed equal to 0. So we're going to run this. And then there you go. That's 0. Odd numbers, if you do a mod 2 on them. So let's do b mod 2, because b is an odd number. That's going to always have a remainder of 1. So I can change b to any odd number. Let's go 111. Remember, because it's just the remainder, odd numbers, when you divide them by 2, they'll always have 1 left over. So even if I change b to 111, b mod 2 is still 1. Same for even numbers. I could go to a really big even number. Let's go 1 million. So I'm going to do a mod 2. All even numbers modded by 2 is going to be 0. So notice I'm saying this as mod, right? It's short for modulus. And remember, all we're doing is dividing a by 2 and seeing what's left over. Well, any number is divisible by 2, so then you're going to know that you're going to get 0 as the remainder or the modulus. Another reason that modulus is used for is hashing. So hashing is basically generating unique values, kind of an advanced concept in programming, something you cover in your data structures class. But still, it's good to look at modulus and kind of what it's useful for. We'll definitely be using it in the future in some of our other programs. So keep in mind, if you want to figure out if a number is even or odd, modulus is a great way to do it. Now, let's say you wanted to find multiples of 3. Let's say I wanted to see if 333 is a multiple of 3. Well, all you need to do is mod by that multiple. So if you want to see if a is a multiple of 3, you do a mod 3. So I can run it again. And then if I get 0, then I know that a is a multiple of 3. Let me do another multiple of 3. Let's do 81. I get 0 again, so indeed 81 is a multiple of 3. Let's do another random number. Let's do 95. Let's see. Oh, that's a mod of 2, so that's not divisible by 3. So yeah, modulus, really flexible. Really, it depends, right, on what you're trying to do with the program, but sometimes the remainder might be useful, so that's where modulus comes in. That's the modulus operator.